हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम पाकिस्तान, वेलकम टू अंकल्स टॉक शो। आज एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है और अंकल से मैं पूछूंगा कि अंकल बताइए कुछ अपने मुशाहिदात के बारे में, पाकिस्तान के साहिल समंदर और आपके मुशाहिदात। जी अंकल।
जी ताहिर साहब, it's always a pleasure to see you again with the program, and you are taking it real fast to put it on the map of the YouTube. What we are going to say or talk in this particular video, it's hopeless how we have developed our beaches. We do have some rugged, rocky, beautiful beaches around Karachi, around Sindh area, in the east of Sindh, in the west of Sindh, in Balochistan. But it's a shame we have not planned nothing possibly appreciated how the conduct of the activities at a beach should be, and what kind of services should be at the beach, and how we can keep the ocean clean, ecologically wise, atmosphere wise, gases wise, temperature wise. We are not learning anything. We are not updated with the world. Our beaches are dirty. They all look abandoned, full of garbage. The color of the ocean is ugly. My dear friends, my dear countrymen, what do you want to do with Pakistan? God has given you the opportunity and has given in your share the beautiful beaches of Bahir Arab and the Indian Ocean. What the hell you people want to do with all these beautiful beach sites? You don't want to develop nothing at the beach. No clubs, no restaurants, no five-star hotels, no infinity pools like international countries like Istanbul, Dubai, Costa Rica, USA, Russia, beautiful beaches, Azerbaijan. What is wrong with you people? Why Panama? Why don't you want to develop your beaches? Do you have any idea what is happening in your mind, in the mind of the public, in the administration, the civil government, the planners, the architect, the architecture of Pakistan? You have to make a plan how to develop your beaches so people can really take it as a spot for vacation, as a spot for entertainment, as a spot for excursions. You don't do it. You don't develop. Go to Istanbul, see the beaches in Turkey. Go to Costa Rica. Go to Dominican Republic, the Caribbean. Beautiful beach. Go to Panama. Go to Azerbaijan. See these beautiful beaches. You are not competing in any standard with the world or updating your locations for the service of the people, for the happiness of the people, to make them happy, for the tourists. Why would the tourists will come to Pakistan? To smell all dirt and all dirty things what you throw, the sewerage of the city, Karachi city, such a big city which has 3 crores of people, and you throw the garbage of this city in the ocean, and ocean smell like hell. Talking about the defense block 8, where the golf club is, famous golf club, where generals, commanders, business people, CEOs go, international people who live in Pakistan, they go. to dine out or to have the breakfast in the golf club, Clifton 8, and dirty smell fill your nostril, and you cannot enjoy the breakfast. You cannot enjoy the lunch. And they have a golf course. The General Saab is playing golf. Is smelling all that shit from the ocean. You people are damn and sick. We are sick nation. Do you understand what is the beauty of a golf club in America or in Latin America where I have been? There are golf clubs right next to the ocean. And a beautiful breeze fill your nostril. And the smell of the trees and the flowers. That's what they have developed at the beach. And the 5-star hotel pools, excursion areas, camping areas, restaurants, international gyms at the beach, tracks to run at the beach. What have you done? Shame on you, administration. You call yourself leaders, federals or provincial. Kamal Shah, are you listening? Shame on you. What are you doing for Karachi? The governor, you are listening? Baldia, are you listening? Shahbaz Sharif, are you listening? Balochistan has beautiful beaches, close to Gwadar. I have been to Kundmalik. Beautiful. But when are you going to develop that beach for the service of your own people and the international tourism? Water sports. It is just the beginning. I'll talk about it many more times. Thank you, Pakistan. We are not hopeless people. I want to wake you up. Watch my videos, subscribe it. Send your comment. Don't be such a vulgar citizen of this country who cannot comment, who cannot thumb up, who cannot appreciate, who cannot listen the truth. You're dead, my friend. Thank you, Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.